In the previous lessons, you have learned about the principles of project management in the context of e-learning. Recollect how a program, course and lesson structures are organized. Now we will learn about reusable learning objects and how to create them. As managers of e-learning projects, you all have to know the rubrics of e-content development and the ways of producing them and estimating and assessing. To be a successful e-learning manager and to run an e-learning program, you have to be simple and innovative. A learning object is a collection of content items, practice items and assessment items that are combined on a single learning objective. This term learning object was coined by Danny Hoggins in 1994 when he created a working group. And in 1967 itself, Gerard had talked about the concept of learning objects. Let us understand the learning objects and how we can create them. At the end of the lesson, you will have to try creating your own learning objects. Learning objects are invariably also referred by different words like information objects, intelligent objects, object bits, and reusable curriculum components. Indeed, learning objects need to have some attributes. To simply say the characteristics, they are reusable. Primarily, a learning object contains instructional content, that is the subject matter and the knowledge. The practice, there is the know-how, the skill part of it, and an assessment. Learning objects must be smaller units of learning, typically ranging from 2 to 15 minutes. They are self-contained and each learning object can be taken independently. They have to be mutable and portable. Let me introduce the concepts: reusability, interoperability, mutability and portability. Reusability: a single learning object may be used in multiple contexts for multiple purposes. Let us take this lesson. This lesson is a RLO, reusable learning object, and this can be reused for other courses. And currently we are using for a MELP program. When it is the same is used for BEd or other media production courses, then it is called reusable. Mutability: if a learning object can be repurposed or re-engineered or changed or simply reused in a different way, in a different context than the original intended design, then it is called mutable. Similarly, if it could be used in any other LMS, it is called portability, for which it should be compatible to different learning management systems, and for which there is a standards called Scrum, which is Shareable Content Object Reference Model. So when we prepare our RLOs based on Scrum, then it is compatible, it can be portable to any of the learning management systems like Moodle, Desire to Learn or similar. So students, we should understand the basics of RLOs and how RLOs can be reduced. Thank you.